Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Tesla Cybertruck out of wood. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need several sheets of plywood, a reliable saw, and strong wood glue. Also, print out detailed Cybertruck blueprints to the correct scale. Remember to prioritize safety by wearing safety glasses and gloves throughout the entire building process. Next, carefully cut all your plywood pieces following the precise dimensions from your blueprints. Begin assembling the main frame by gluing the base and side panels together. For extra durability, reinforce each joint with small screws. This step forms the core structure, so take your time to ensure everything is perfectly aligned and secure. Now it's time to add the distinctive Cybertruck details. Attach smaller wood pieces to create the windows, headlights, and taillights. Once these are in place, thoroughly sand all surfaces until they are smooth to the touch. Use wood filler to fill any small gaps or imperfections, ensuring a flawless appearance before the final steps. Finally, bring your wooden Cybertruck to life with paint. Apply a metallic silver paint to mimic the iconic stainless steel look. Then, add black accents for the tires and any interior details you wish to include. Once the paint is dry, your easy-to-make wooden Cybertruck is complete and ready to be displayed. Enjoy your unique creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.